Welcome to this tutorial on how to dollar cost average in Moomoo. Dollar cost averaging is a strategy that involves investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of the asset's price. This approach can help reduce the impact of volatility and lower the average cost of your investments over time. To get started, open the Moomoo app on your device and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you will need to create one. Once you are logged in, navigate to the stock or asset you want to invest in. You can use the search bar at the top of the screen to find your desired stock easily. Next, decide how much money you want to invest regularly and how often you want to invest. You can choose to do this weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, depending on what works best for you. Once you have your amount and schedule in mind, go to the trade section of the app. Select the buy option for the stock you are interested in and enter the amount you want to invest. Make sure to review your order carefully before confirming. After placing your order, you will want to keep track of your investments over time. Regularly check your portfolio and adjust your strategy as needed. Dollar cost averaging can be an effective way to build your investment portfolio over time, especially in fluctuating markets. Remember to stay disciplined and stick to your plan for the best results. Happy investing!